Hi friends, I am Gaurav Malviya from Erudite Study Abroad Consultants. You can call me your friend, your mentor, your guide for studying MBBS in abroad. And today the country which I want to discuss is a country which call India its best friend, and it is a country in the lap of Himalaya. You all must know it is in the name of Nepal. So if you are having a dream of becoming a doctor and to do MBBS, and if unfortunately you are not able to get enrolled in Indian colleges or universities, choose to do MBBS from Nepal. Nepal is an excellent destination for Indian students to pursue MBBS. And as you know that Nepal is in proximity to India, so you have an option that without having any visa requirements, you can take admission in Nepal. So this is the first plus point, that you don't have to make expense on visa for studying MBBS. This is the first point. Plus the curriculum of the teaching in Nepal is 100% English, and apart from English, the faculty members are also Indians. Nepal, language barrier is not there. Third one is fee structure. Apart from the government colleges fees in India, all other medical colleges are charging fees which is in comparison to Nepal very much higher. Approximately you have to pay around 75 lakhs to pursue MBBS in India. From below average medical college also you have to pay around somewhere to 65 to 75 lakh total fees, which consist of tuition fees, fooding and lodging. Plus, but if in Nepal you want to pursue, you have to pay less fees in compared to Indian medical colleges, and the infrastructure is equally very good. I have just visited Nepal for around 7 days. I was in Nepal and visited various medical colleges. The topmost medical colleges of Nepal is Manipal College of Medical Sciences, which is situated in Pokhara. And if you compare this medical college with any Indian medical college, you will find that infrastructure wise, study wise, faculty wise, this medical college has an edge on the Indian medical colleges. Like there is one medical college from where you can pursue your studies, and it is a top-notch medical college which is situated in Chitwan, is College of Medical Sciences Studies, and its owner, or you can the chairman of the College of Medical Sciences, is an Indian, Mr. Natarajan, doctor, or you can say Dr. Natarajan. So it is a very good medical college with very supreme infrastructure, very high patient inflow is there in OPD, and the hospital which is associated with College of Medical Sciences is of 750 bed, and they are planning to increase it. And patient inflow is also very good in compared to Indian medical colleges. You will find same patient inflow in Nepal medical colleges, same diseases in Nepal medical college. Food you will find in in the mess is very much Indian, non-veg and veg. In College of Medical Sciences, they have a canteen where you can get South Indian food, North Indian food. In campus only, there is very good temple built. So if Indian students want to worship Indian God, the facility is also available, that all Indian goddess and gods are present in the campus of College of Medical Sciences. And apart from this, after pursuing your MBBS, they are also providing you an opportunity to become a doctor and practice in College of Medical Sciences only. Practice must not practice, you can say employment. If you want your employment in College of Medical Sciences, you can also equally have the opportunity to get employed in College of Medical Sciences. These two medical colleges are the supreme most medical colleges of Nepal: Manipal College of Medical Sciences and College of Medical Sciences, School of Medical Sciences, and the fees is around 60 to 62 lakhs for Indian students. So it is quite low in comparison to the Indian medical college which are.
फिर वो पैसा देने के एक जगह में बैठना पड़ेगा, बिल काटना पड़ेगा, देन उसके बाद आप लोग जाएगा लागत देने के लिए, उसके बाद रिपोर्ट के लिए वेट करना पड़ेगा, रिपोर्ट आने के बाद फिर उसमें जाना पड़ेगा किधर डॉक्टर के पास, फिर दिखाना पड़ेगा, वो समय में दूसरा पेशेंट होता वेट करना पड़ेगा, फिर उसके बाद डॉक्टर ने औषधि देगा, फिर औषधि के पास भी लेन होगा। ये जनरल है, इसमें ऐसे डेस्क में होगा, ये होगा। मेरा ये डेस्क ओनली सोच पूछ डेस्क होगा। आप आइए, अभी आपको दिखाएंगे।
भाई साहब साथ साथ चलो, 2 बजे है फ्लाइट।
तुम खाना रेडी करो, हमें 5 प्लेट 15 दे रहे हो।
Having the same infrastructure, same faculty and same books in comparison to Indian medical colleges, these two medical colleges are very much excellent, where you can take admission and after completing your MBBS studies, you 100% will become a very good doctor. Apart from these two medical colleges, one medical college I will also mention where you can pursue your studies, Chitwan Medical College. It is situated in Chitwan, and infrastructure wise this medical college is also very good, and in comparison to KMC and CMC, fees is little bit low in Chitwan Medical College. So you can opt for there also. Then one medical college is very beautifully located in the lap of Himalaya, in mountains, is Lumbini Medical College. Here the fees is, in compared to Chitwan Medical College, is less. Infrastructure wise, patient inflow wise, the main thing what I have gained and what my experience says, that if you are choosing a medical college, always keep this thing in mind, that always where clinical exposure is high, and clinical exposure is high in those medical colleges where the patient inflow is high. So patient inflow wise, all the medical colleges, small or big, medium, have very good patient inflow in Nepal also. So Nepal is a very good destination to pursue MBBS, and if you are having any query regarding this, you can contact me on my number, that is 915-111-4255, and with God grace, or you can say by the virtue of God, I have got contacts in all the medical colleges, and I am known to its chairmen, its principals, and the top faculty members. So when you are taking admission through Erudite Study Abroad, you will have an edge, because all the faculty members, chairman, principals will know you personally, and you will get a very good response regarding more information, more informative videos of these medical colleges, and overall the MBBS studies in India and upcoming countries where Erudite Study Abroad send students for studying. Thank you.